A friendly guide to using AI as your personal security assistant. How ChatGPT version 5.5 can help everyday users stay cyber safe. Hello there, I'm Bob the Cyber Guy. If you've ever stared at a confusing email or a scary pop-up on your screen and wondered, is this safe? You are not alone. Today, we're going to talk about a wonderful new tool called ChatGPT version 5.5. Think of it like having me, a friendly cyber expert, sitting right next to you at your computer, ready to answer your questions in plain English. Cybersecurity isn't about fear, folks. It's about making smarter, everyday choices. Let's dive in. GPT 5.5 is a cyber safety coach, not a magic shield. Before we start using ChatGPT 5.5, it's important to understand what it actually does. GPT is incredibly smart, but it is not a magic shield. It won't automatically block a virus or stop a hacker from getting into your computer. Instead, think of it as your personal cyber safety coach. It's there to review things you're unsure about, explain confusing warnings, and point out red flags. But remember, the coach gives advice, but you are the player on the field making the final call. Check suspicious emails and texts before trusting them. We've all received those panicked emails or texts claiming our bank account is frozen or a package couldn't be delivered. Scammers want you to panic and click without thinking. Next time you get one, take a breath. Copy the message, making sure to delete any personal info first, and paste it into ChatGPT 5.5. Just ask, does this email look like a scam? The AI is fantastic at spotting the emotional tricks and spelling errors that scammers use, helping you see the trap before you fall into it. Ask before clicking links. Links are the doorways of the internet, and you shouldn't walk through a door if you don't know what's on the other side. If someone sends you a link that looks like a jumble of random letters, or it's from someone you haven't spoken to in years, stop. Don't click it. Instead, you can ask GPT 5.5, what should I check before clicking this link? It will remind you of the safe ways to verify a link, like checking the official website of the company directly instead of using the link provided. Use GPT 5.5 to understand security warnings. Computers have a terrible habit of throwing scary-looking warnings at us, filled with words like SSL certificate, firewall exceptions, or malware heuristics. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. Instead of just clicking OK to make the box go away, which can be dangerous, type the warning into GPT 5.5. Ask it, explain this security warning in plain English. It acts like a digital translator, telling you exactly what your computer is trying to say so you can make a safe choice. Build better password habits. Passwords don't have to be painful. Let AI help you build a routine you can actually remember. We all know we're supposed to use strong, unique passwords for everything, but keeping track of them feels like a full-time job. GPT 5.5 is great for brainstorming systems that work for you. Now remember, you should never, ever type your actual passwords into AI. But you can absolutely ask it, help me create a safer password routine. It can teach you how to use a password manager or how to create long passphrases out of a favorite song or book quote that are incredibly secure but very easy for you to remember. Create a weekly 10-minute security checklist. Cybersecurity isn't a one-and-done chore. It's like brushing your teeth. It's best done in small daily or weekly habits. If you're not sure where to start, GPT 5.5 is a wonderful assistant. Just type, "Give me a 10-minute weekly cyber safety checklist." It will give you a simple, manageable list of things to do, like taking a moment to update your phone's software or glancing at your credit card statements. Just 10 minutes a week can stop 99% of digital headaches. Learn one cyber term at a time. You hear terms on the news all the time. Phishing, ransomware, two-factor authentication. It can sound like a foreign language. The beauty of GPT 5.5 is that it has infinite patience. If you come across a word you don't know, just ask. You can say, "Explain what two-factor authentication is like. I'm a beginner." Learning just one new term a week builds your confidence, and the more you understand, the less scary the digital world becomes. Before installing apps, ask what to check. Our phones are our lifeline, and the app stores are full of games, tools, and utilities. But not every app is a good neighbor. Some ask for access to your camera, your contacts, or your location when they don't really need it. Before you hit that install button on a new app you're unsure about, ask GPT 5.5. What should I check before downloading this new app? It will remind you to read the reviews, check who the developer is, and keep an eye on what permissions you are giving away. The big rule: pause, verify, then act. If there is only one slide you remember from today, make it this one. This is the traffic light of cyber safety. Pause, verify, then act. Scams rely on rushing you. Before you click a link, download an attachment, reply to a scary message, or pay money, hit the brakes. Pause. Verify the situation through official websites or known phone numbers. For banks, government agencies, taxes, or healthcare, always go directly to the source. You can even ask GPT 5.5, "What could go wrong before I send this payment?" to help you think it through. What not to share with AI. While GPT 5.5 is incredibly helpful, we must remember the golden rule of AI. Whatever you type into it is being sent to a computer server somewhere. You should never share your personal secrets with it. Never paste your passwords, your social security number, your banking details, or your private medical records into an AI chat. Always scrub out or delete personal names and account numbers from an email before you ask the AI to review it. Treat the AI like a helpful stranger at a coffee shop. Be polite, ask for directions, but don't hand over your wallet. In closing, stay curious, stay careful, stay cyber safe. Remember, you are in control. Use AI to build confidence, not fear. AI is your coach. Keep your private info private. Always verify with official sources and pause before you click. Well, folks, you did it. You now have the tools to use GPT 5.5 to make your digital life safer and a whole lot less confusing. Remember, you are in control. AI is just a wonderful coach to help you along the way. Stay curious about new technology. Keep learning. And don't let fear keep you from enjoying the internet. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy reminding you, pause before you click, verify before you trust, and stay safe out there.